In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox installation error that says continue installation without flag settings. This issue usually appears when Roblox tries to install or update but runs into leftover or corrupted files from a previous installation. The good news is that it's easy to fix on Windows with just a few quick actions. Before we start, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful. It really supports me and helps others discover these tutorials too. Alright, let's get into it. If you see this error, the first thing to do is clear Roblox's temporary files. On your PC, open the Run window from the Start menu search bar. Once it's open, type local app data and press OK. When the folder appears, look for the Roblox folder. Open it and find another folder inside called Versions. You'll notice one or more version folders there. Open the latest one and try running the Roblox player file inside it. If Roblox installs successfully, the problem is fixed. But if the error still appears, you'll need to remove those files completely. Go back to the local app data folder, find Roblox again, and delete that folder. This won't delete your saved games or your account. It only removes temporary setup files that might be corrupted. Once it's deleted, close the folder and open the Run window again. This time, type temp and press OK. This will open a folder that stores temporary files on your system. Scroll through or search for any folder named Roblox and delete it as well. These are just cached files and safe to remove. Once that's done, close everything and restart your computer. Now open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Log into your account and try launching any game. Roblox will automatically ask you to download and install the player again. Go ahead and do that. This time, the installer should run smoothly without showing the continue without flag error message. After it finishes installing, Roblox should work normally again. If you still face the same issue, make sure you're connected to the internet properly and that no antivirus program is blocking the installation. Temporarily disabling real-time protection during the setup can sometimes help, but remember to turn it back on once Roblox is installed. And that's all you need to do to fix the Roblox installation error, continue without flag, on your PC. It's a simple process that clears old files and lets Roblox install cleanly again. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like below and subscribe to the channel for more quick PC guides and tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.